Unchained. Before speed, there was silence. Before luxury, there was survival. This is what happens when precision meets the wild. Others fear the road when it ends. This one begins there. Speed is not reckless when it's mastered. Luxury isn't softness. Luxury is confidence where others would panic. At night, this machine doesn't hide. There are roads built by man and paths carved by courage. Not everything powerful needs an audience. This is not an SUV pretending to be a supercar. This is a supercar that refuses limits. Red isn't a color, it's a warning, it's a promise.